Welcome to JH. Today, we will cover how to back up your Tonkeeper wallet recovery phrases. Begin by launching the Tonkeeper app on your mobile device and tapping the settings icon. In the settings menu, find and select the option for backup. Before you proceed, make sure to read the instructions regarding your recovery phrases carefully. Once you have finished reading, tap Continue to start the process. You will now see your 24-word recovery phrase displayed on the screen. Manually write down each word on a piece of paper or in another secure location. Ensure there are no errors, as this phrase is essential for accessing your wallet. After writing everything down, tap on Check Backup or the equivalent option. You will be prompted to enter a few randomly selected words to verify your backup. Once you have successfully entered these phrases, tap Done. Your recovery words are now securely stored. It is highly recommended to keep this physical copy in a safe place where only you have access. Completing this backup process thoroughly will help you avoid any future issues when accessing your wallet.